Good morning, everyone. And today is Thursday, breakfast time. Ayan, this is only my breakfast of bread. Ayan, tawa masarap to na bread. Ayan, tapos may coffee. Kain tayo, guys. Thank you for watching. Good morning, everyone. Breakfast time na naman. Today is Tuesday. Ayan, nagluto nga pala ako ng Indian pancake. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng cheese sa loob, kaya ganyan siya. Tapos my fried egg, apple, and my coffee. Kain na tayo, guys. Thank you for watching. Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday. Breakfast time ko na naman. And my coffee. Madami yung paglagay ko ng hot water, kaya madami yung kape ko. Ayan, may hapo at saka ito, burger bread. Nilagyan ko pala siya ng ham and cheese as usual. Yan, kain na tayo, guys. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you for watching. Good morning, everyone. And today is Friday. Breakfast time na tayo, guys. Ayan, nagluto nga pala ako ng pancake. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng banana. So, banana pancake na siya. Tapos may apple at saka boiled egg. Ayan, medyo malamig ngayon, 10 degrees. So, thank you for watching, guys. Good morning, everyone. Breakfast time na tayo. And today is Thursday. Ayan. Ito lang ginawa ko sa tinapay ko. Ayan, nilagyan ko lang siya ng butter at saka konting sugar para medyo matamis. I-toast ko siya. Ayan. Kasi kahapon may yun, ham and cheese. So, ito naman. Ayan, plus my coffee. Ayan, kain na tayo, guys. Thank you for watching. Good morning, everyone. And today is Wednesday. Ayan, breakfast time ko na naman. Ito nga lang pala ang breakfast ko today. Gumawa ko ng sandwich. Ayan, tinost ko lang siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng ham and cheese. Ayan, simple breakfast for today plus my coffee. Kain tayo, guys. Thank you for watching. Good morning, everyone. Breakfast time na naman tayo, guys. Meron akong fried egg, tapos 3 dumpling, plus isang tinapay, plus my coffee. Yan, my breakfast for today. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you for watching. Good morning, everyone. Ayan, breakfast time na tayo. Ito lang ang breakfast ko today. And my coffee. Ayan. Egg, boiled egg, at saka tinapay lang ang breakfast ko today. Yan, kain na tayo, guys. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you for watching. Good morning, everyone. Breakfast time na tayo. Ayan. May cake lang. Tapos hello, mga lods. Breakfast time na naman. Ayan. My coffee. Actually, yung breakfast namin today is dumpling. So, parang ayaw ko kumain ng dumpling since may ako na bread, yung toast bread. Ayan. At saka nagluto na lang ako ng itlog. So, ito lang ang breakfast ko today. Thank you for watching. Good morning, everyone. Ayan, breakfast time na tayo. My coffee. Coffee at saka milk lang yan. Tapos ito, guys, fried egg. Tapos potato pizza. Isang slice na apple at saka, ayan, may sobra kami na egg tart. Kakainin ko na lang yan. So, ayan lang, guys. Ito lang ang simple breakfast ko today. Thank you for watching. Good morning, everyone. Ayan, breakfast time na naman tayo, mga lods. Ayan, ito nga pala, may boiled egg ako, tapos apple at saka bread. Ayan, binili ko lang yung bread. Tapos may coffee. Ayan, kain na tayo. Thank you for watching. Good morning mga lods. Ayan, today is Monday. Breakfast time na tayo. Ayan nga pala, nagluto ako ng potato. Pina-fry ko lang siya, nilagyan ko lang siya ng egg at saka yung cheese. Parang pizza potato na siya. Tapos may apple at saka egg. Tapos ito nga pala yung coffee ko, black coffee. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng milk. So, kain na tayo guys. Thank you for watching. Good morning everyone. Ito na, breakfast time na naman tayo. My coffee. Ayan, fry egg. Tapos may dumpling. Actually, ang laman dyan is egg and chives. Homemade dumpling lang po yan. At saka may apple. Ayan, kain na tayo guys. Thank you for watching. Good morning everyone. Breakfast time na naman tayo. Ayan. Meron pala akong pandesal. Ayan. Binili ko to ng linggo. Ayan. Tapos may egg, coffee. Ayan. Medyo malamig ang weather today. 11 degrees. Guys, kain tayo. Thank you for watching. Good morning everyone. Breakfast time. Of course, ito lang yung breakfast ko today. Yung cake, tapos boiled egg, apple, and coffee. Ayan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Good morning everyone. Breakfast time na tayo. Ayan. May iba nga pala yung breakfast natin today kasi may nagbigay ng saging from Pinas. Ayan. Nilaga ko lang yung saging. Tapos may coffee with milk. Ayan. Kain na tayo guys. Ayan, malamig-lamig pa dito ang weather. So, kain na tayo. Thank you for watching. Good morning everyone. And today is Saturday. Ayan, breakfast time ko na. Ayan, may dalawang cake. Tapos egg at saka plus my coffee. Ayan, ito lang ang breakfast ko today. Thank you for watching. Good morning everyone. Breakfast time na naman. My coffee, tapos dumpling plus apple. Ito nga pala yung sauce. Vinegar, black vinegar. So, yan lang breakfast ko today. Thank you for watching.